My name is Remy Dada. I'm the founder of Campus HQ. We are designing the Airbnb for offices. The Accelerate Africa program has been quite interesting for me. Right, so for me, I'm a second-time founder. And coming into the program, I asked myself, what am I going to learn from this program that I haven't learned from other programs I've been a part of? And to my surprise, I've learned a lot of things. One, I've learned a lot from the different advisors, and they had a wide range of advisors, right, across different sectors who've accomplished different things. I learned a lot from the founders in my cohorts, people who are from diverse backgrounds, who have very varying views and perspectives, and have accomplished amazing things in their own rights, right? And I've also learned from just the journey, right? Going through the journey and seeing how people have solved problems gave me a better perspective to how we were going to solve problems too. And just coming into the program, we were at a point where we were trying to launch our products, and getting the expert advice on the advisors on how to launch products, how to build products, how to change our perspectives on what we're building has been super helpful for us.